Welcome to Social Site Hacks. In this video we will show you how to get free like on Instagram pics without using any app. There are many video on YouTube of same concept which ask you for human verification to watch video etc. And most of the app ask you to uninstall some apps. And the software we are using doesn't need any human verification and don't ask you to like or follow someone's post. So let's get started. Go to any browser and then open your Instagram account. As you can see, I have got 80 plus likes on my first two posts and only 37 likes on my third post, so I am going to increase likes on the third one. Please watch carefully how I am going to get likes and don't skip the video. Open a new tab and type IG host. The link is given at description box. After that, click on login with Instagram. Then write your username and password of Instagram account. Then you need to verify your account. Select one of the options for receiving a code. I am selecting email to get the code. After that, you will get a verification code on your registered email ID for security purpose. Then write the code and click on Submit Security Code. Then click on Auto Liker. Note down that you have to remove your privacy for software to work. So if you have kept your account in privacy, remove it for a few minutes. Then refresh the tab. Then click and get likes, on which you need to add likes. As you can see, the page is loading, that means it is generating likes on your post. Then wait for a few seconds and go back to your Insta page and refresh the page. Here you can see I have received likes within few seconds. When the page stops rotating, it means that the procedure have completed. And the best thing about this software is that you can generate more likes just after 15 minutes. As you can see, I have now 63 likes on this post. I hope you have understood the procedure. Please like, share and comment if you have liked the concept, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with us.